the famous Pedro stone soup. Start by adding 2 liters of water in a saucepan. Also add some clean and sanitized stones, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, black pepper to taste, paprika to taste. Take a slight stir. And cover until the water starts to boil. As soon as it starts to boil, add 1 carrot, 2 potatoes, 1 tomato and mix again. Cook until the vegetables soften. Then add 200 grams of meat, and it may be the meat of your choice. Here I'm using dried meat. Also add 1 calamus of Calabrian, green smell to taste, and now cover and leave for another 10 minutes. After that time, add 150 grams of pasta, and tape again, until the noodles are cooked. With the noodles already cooked, our stone soup is ready. Look at this delight! This Irony of Stone Soup is by Pedro Malazar, a well-known story. The stones just throw you away and enjoy this soup delight. I hope you enjoyed, and do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching!